Sunday is the main day for Toronto Pride. This year with less content, but still a lot of people. Right now we only have 5 sections of the Pride event. The parade will be starting around 2 o'clock, probably in about half an hour. And then the event will go on until past midnight. 今日係多倫多嘅自豪日，咁係彩虹同埋幫彩虹社區嘅人咧，會嚟參與呢個自豪日嘅。咁咧而家就呢條街叫做教堂街 Church Street 喺多倫多，就係彩虹人嘅社區啦。咁佢哋咧而家就擺咗好多攤位啊、贊助商啊、無牟利機構啊，全部都喺度擺攤。2點鐘咧就會喺我哋多倫多市中心嗰條正街 Yonge Street 度遊行啦，會係好大嘅。一喺北美咧，自豪日咧多倫多喺北美嚟講係最大嘅，僅次於全世界巴西。有1.4個 million 至2個 million 啲人會參與喺唔同嘅國家同埋地方。